Hey everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing Patreon March 2024 for D&D, Warhammer proxies and figures for your STL prints and so forth. If you do like the video, please leave a like, subscribe, like, and share. And yeah, let's get to it. So we have miniature. This is part 3, by the way. We got miniatures blueprint for D&D for March review. We have the Beast Town, Panda. Yeah, it's supposed to be some type of bat, a chicken, and a turtle for it as well. More look like a sea turtle than a turtle. Turtle's more of a desert type thing. But Gamescape terrains as well. So we have, let's see, this will be the full March, some more ruined buildings for you guys. I do need to get an FDM printer, so because because resin is just ridiculously expensive. That's like the whole thing. Actually, this would be pretty good for a Warhammer terrains. Just letting you guys know too. So if you play Warhammer and you have an FDM or a resin printer, there's your battle right there. For Gamescape. All the links will be down the bottom. Just letting you guys know the ones we're looking at. So we have Great Grimoire, another D&D figures as well. I guess we're going to have to watch videos. I don't like doing the videos. I like doing pictures. Let's see here. So we have the girl. Let's see. Y 1080 auto. Yeah, that's good. Old lady. Professor. We got Aura and her dragon. So but it looks like an elven girl on riding a dragon. That's more like a wyvern. Wait a second. That's a wyvern, not a dragon. Because dragon's supposed to have 4 limbs, but depends what you're from. Dragons would be different, so we're missing this one, that one, these 2, and that one as well. So 3 miniatures that are coming for this month. It just hasn't been released yet. So go check them out. 3D Moon figures as well. Pretty good. We're getting Mystique. Well, for this is loyalty. If you've been with it for 3 months, you get Lilithmon. And I am already been with this person for over a year, so I'm getting my Lilith mom. Ooh, mommy. We got Mystique coming in. Voluptuous, lovely, sexy Mystique. And Felicia. I don't think did she done Felicia yet? No. No, it's supposed to be Rebecca. So what's this Felicia for? Uh, Felicia's coming soon. You might get Felicia. Well, we got this one too. So I'm thinking multiples of stuff that's coming in. Rebecca as well. Or that might be next month. I don't know. No, we're getting that girl with the whip, but we don't know why. I don't know what. I think Felicia's probably for next month. 3D Manji, another STL figures as well. This is more of a sexualized figures. He got a motorcycle accident, no fractured bones, so don't have to worry about that. Mai from the I forgot that game from Nintendo's. They just really got all the girls wearing like cute, hot stuff. So we got that, and we have this one as well. It's coming in. Like I say, it's a little racy, but I think we're getting this one as well for this month. Oops, I accidentally closed that. Nope. 3D. My 3D prints. This is for wild figures. We're gonna have the Etins. Well, I forgot they call it. They just call them two-headed ogres. Ogres for them. Yeah, they call them two-headed ogres. Ogres in general. Etins for D&D terms. If you do wild D&D, this might be pretty much good if you need ogres or Etins for them. Well, I know the ogres, a lot of them are spellcasters in WoW. So yeah. So you might be interested in getting a whole bunch of these things. And they're pretty cool too for proxies for it. You get building and a cage. Arrow waifus. I think we're getting Saso of from Fern from Journey's End. That's going to be probably for April. So this will be for this month. Glad Miniatures. March spoiler. Another D&D proxies. Or uses proxy for Age of Sigma or other stuff as well. So we have some undead cleric and warriors for this month. Lily Patty post. I believe this is another figure one. Yeah, another figure. Here. To be available. I don't know if I downloaded this yet, but oh yeah, the Dragon Ball Z creators died a few days ago. I don't know what's March going to be. For March, poll final was Makoto from Ghost in the Shell. I have so many of her figures, so that's what they're working on. But the links will be down if you go take a look. That's for me to download their shit. If I forgot, sometimes I do forget, and I'm like, ah shit, I paid last month. Give me my files now. The Dragon Rest is a terrain. They do terrains for it, and they're doing the Terror Cage for this. It's very cool looking prints as well for D&D and make everything like a drop pit and stuff. And they even say that down here it's like a gelatinous cube, and you just gonna eat through everything in there, and you put the people in there as well. So I think this looks pretty cool. And it's very simple for it as well. Next is Daybreak Miniatures, another D&D proxy. We got a couple of knights from them the past few months. Let's see, the Tinkerers. So we have gnomes, I believe. Yep, gnomes. We need gnomes, and their little artifacts. So we got artificer type deal going on right now. So that's actually pretty good to print. Or use as techno gnomes from the World of Warcraft. So yeah, depending what your game is. So there you have it. Puppet War Master, another Warhammer. This is a Warhammer proxy. I don't have anything else that's coming out for March right now. I don't see anything. They usually come out really late, and they do look pretty cool as well. They did a Ghostbuster one for the orcs. So you may have to go check them out with the link down below and see what they have if you're doing Warhammer. They do a lot of Tyranids, Space Marines, and and orcs. A lot of freaking orcs. Ruben, we have Farron. I believe that's what she is. Farron, and I forgot what her name is. These are the two figures that are out for Ruben. And I don't think she's not going to do much as for a while, due to the fact that she actually does she actually have a full-time job, and she does this for the side. Azurma, another figure. Azurma, I think we're getting Lust. That's May. What is it? May main character, that's Lust. Okay. But what are you getting for March? For March, we're getting Garu, Simon, and Crystal. That's from Star Fox. I own the game for the GameCube, but I never actually played the damn thing. Ab 3D. We got Storm, Psylocke, Tifa, Sonya, Jean Grey. They'll have stuff. Here we go. Storm, Jean Grey, Sonya, Chun-Li, and here's your bonus plus that comes with it as well. So we got Morgana, Catwoman, Poison Ivy, and so forth. Dam of Imagination, another proxy. I think we get another Nurgle set for it. So we have the Plague, Annihilators, and Tank. It looks damn pretty cool. You can never have enough Nurgles. Nurgles are just freaking awesome. Just tell you the truth. These are the Plague Bless 3. Here's the full thing. The Nurgle in Terminator armor. Yeah, I did some Nurgle painting here, but I want to do some more Nurgles. But I gotta finish building up my Eldars before I start working on Nurgles again, because I don't have any Nurgles in Terminator armors right now. I don't believe. So, bless coming March, work in progress. One page rules. This will be the last one for today. One page rule is a proxy for Warhammer, Age of Sigmar, and Old World. So those three are they do proxies for those three. So if you want, I know miniatures are fucking expensive from GW, but if you want something that's quick and able to print, one page rules is one of the things that you should look at. What they have. March. Oh, we got elves. Not the freaking tanks I'm looking for, but I think I can use some of these for my freaking elves. Okay, change dominion, so zincs. Some zincs there. Vampire and undead. Yeah. I don't know, do we have vampires for Old World? I don't really remember much for it, but yeah, here's some vampires that you can use for proxies. And high elf feet. Some of these I don't think I can be able to use. Probably one of those, but I don't know. The proxies are fine. It's just I want particular proxies. I definitely know I can't use these for freaking proxy because it does not look like any other thing that resembles it. So, and they have their own little game system as well. I do want some Rangers. Tell you the truth. But that's March. I hope you guys do enjoy it. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord. Thank you guys very much. Hope you guys have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.